Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Coding with Ado. Today we're going to connect to DALI. So the idea is to actually go to DALI and with Node.js and start creating some images. So let's go to our code and let's get started. Let's get started by doing an npm init y, and then let's do the install of OpenAI. And last but not least, let's do the install of .env because we're going to need to store our API keys for that. Okay, so let's start by getting the .env file and getting our own API key. Okay, so this is going to be really important, so be aware of that. So once we go to openai.com, we're going to go to API login. We're going to go to the API reference. We're going to go to the authentication API keys. And in here, you're going to go and create a new API key. Let's call it, for example, coding with Ado DALI. Okay? So there are steps here, just add the name, add the project, create a secret key. We're going to copy that. And you're also going to go to API keys here. Sorry, to general of the project limits. You're going to go to the model usage and you're going to enable DALI. Okay, so you just edit, enable. This is going to take time, so make sure that you do this before you actually go to the coding because it takes time for it to actually update in here. Okay, so once you have that, we go to our code and let's do the OpenAI key equals to something, to the key that we just got. You can now go to the index.js and start coding. What we're going to do is we're going to do something really simple. We're going to just do a const OpenAI equals to a require OpenAI. We're going to do a const, it's a require.then.config. We're going to do const OpenAI all in lowercase, OpenAI, and the keys will in the API key. That's going to be a process, .then, whatever you just put here. Okay, and then we create the async function to like generate image and a prompt. Okay, so we're going to do a try catch to see if like there's any error or anything. Let's just go and try to catch the error. So let's do like the console.error generating the image, and let's put the error.message. Okay, so basically if there's any issue or whatever, we're gonna see what's going on. So let's assume everything goes right. So let's do a const response equals to an await of the OpenAI dot generate dot images dot generate, and we send the prompt. We send the n1, so we're gonna need just one image, and let's do like a size of, let's say 1024, like a square image here, pretty big. Let's do a console.log of the response data 0, the first result, because we're sending just one, I'm requesting just one image .url, so you can just see the URL. Okay, and then let's do a generate image. Let's generate an image of, for example, to video screen with a duck and a dinosaur. Okay, so let's do node index, and we have an issue here. So OpenAI cannot be involved without the new, so I'm missing the new here. Okay, it's running. It's running. And there we have the URL. So let's copy this and let's go to our browser. And here we go, YouTube screen, duck, and dinosaur. So that's basically how you create images using DALL-E using Node.js. Pretty easy, pretty fast. Just 20 lines of code. So yeah, have fun programming, working with this. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Please like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye.